Amazing, a real accomplishment for me in my little channel. Today, I'm celebrating an epic milestone. That's right, thanks to all you loyal followers, I've finally hit the achievement of a play button. Really, it's amazing, right? I know I fooled all of you a few months ago, back in June, when I showed you this video, up in the top left or right, where I got this YouTube neon play button from the Hi5 reward program for new creators. But this is for real. It's a play button. I've been assured it's a play button. No jokes here. Just an honest to goodness reward for all the work I've put in. So let's get open. Wait, what? It's Lego? I know my viewership audience is generally a generation younger than I am, but Lego? Well, maybe that explains why I don't have 100,000 subs. I thought I needed 100,000 subs to get a silver play button. Well, if you watched this far, you may as well stick around until the end, I guess. Do me a solid and smash that like button and have a laugh because I've been hoodwinked again. And hit the subscribe button too. Let's see if I can hit 100,000 subscribers for reals. I've no chance without you guys. Now, I don't usually ask for subscribers, but today I am. I'm branching out my content and I need you to spare 5 to 10 minutes a week and hopefully enjoy the content that I provide. So let's use a little bit of editing magic and fast forward this construction and get this video moving along.
Turn it up now. Turn it up now.
Well, there we have it. The Hi5 play button reward for October 2024. It's not exactly massive, but it was a lot of fun. Possibly more rewarding than opening a big package with a silver play button in it. Well, at least I'm going to tell myself that. So if you've not already created a channel, do it now. Get a few subscribers and hopefully you'll find success and get invited into the Hi5 program as well. And maybe you too could earn a Lego play button. Or set your sights a little bit higher and try and aim for the silver play button. Come on, I'll race you. Let's see who gets there first.